Welcome back to Shiba Inu Crypto, everyone. According to Robert Kaki, investing $100 in Shiba Inu coin today will make you wealthy. On December 5, Shiba Inu's price surged higher as markets continued to evaluate this past Friday's improved jobs data. Point illustrates the U.S. labor market's tenacity in the face of Fed rate hikes and raises the prospect of a Goldilocks scenario in which the Fed continues to raise rates while there are no significant job losses and economic growth continues. This scenario would greatly support stocks and provide a tailwind for cryptocurrencies this Monday. According to Robert Kaki, if you invest $100 in Shiba coin today, you will become wealthy. For the most recent information on expert analysis and price forecasts for Shiba coins, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up, and share it with others. Now, let's start the video. On December 5, the Shanghai Inu is confusing traders with a mind-boggling surge to the upside. At one point, an intraday 8% gain was recorded in the Asia-Pacific session, which came about as a result of the Chinese government's easing measures, which further loosen its policy in the hopes of a soft landing. Shib has one crucial job today, closing above the green ascending trend line to support the current breakout. Bulls can reclaim the region above the trend line and use it to support the rally. Landing in the U.S. as the U.S. job numbers showed a very resilient job market sentiment might trigger a turnaround. The Fed is nearing its pivot and historically often starts to cut rates quickly after that. The current equilibrium between all asset classes is very fragile at the moment. A single headline from a Fed member that mentions something other than what markets are expecting could easily break down the current correlations at hand, which would mean that the mentioned tailwind from equities could fall apart, break down quickly, and even become a headwind, triggering a drop below the green ascending trend line. Expect to see the 55-day simple moving average SMA and the 200-day SMA near 0.110 in the world of cryptocurrency. One way to stay ahead of major market moves is to monitor the activity of the largest market participants, or whales, who have the power to move the market upward or downward due to the transparency that blockchain technology affords. Based on a recent on-chain analysis, it is possible to track the movements of crypto whales in real time using easily accessible online tools. Cryptocurrency whales seems to hold a significant role in Shiba. To Shiba Inu's credit, the people who created this meme coin have been taking proactive measures to increase its overall worth. However, the argument for Shiba Inu is more complicated because it is still too simple to see Shiba as a get-rich-quick meme coin. Of course, raising Shino's burn rate dramatically has been the most dramatic move. Due to a vast oversupply of Shiba Inu, the meme coin still trades for merely 0.0000009177. Shiba must continue to burn coins if it hopes to ever reach the $1 price point. The coin launched with a total circulating supply of 1 quadrillion coins. Additionally, Shiba Inu has been working to increase the usefulness of its coin. For instance, it has been creating an online metaverse where cryptocurrency can be used to purchase and sell land. It also has partnerships with real-world merchants and retailers to get Shiba Inu recognized as a valid form of payment. American Airlines is one instance of a recent winner. You can pay for your airfare using when you're ready to schedule your next trip. Shiba Inu as a broad guideline crypto whales influence markets. It's similar to the stock market in that investors base their big decisions about how to handle a particular stock on what Warren Buffett or a large hedge fund is doing. Therefore, by regularly monitoring these whales' actions, it may be possible to predict future market movements and gain a better understanding of the mood of the market. At the very least, you may find some profitable trading ideas by looking through the crypto portfolios of major whales. You may also gain insight into how the largest cryptocurrency investors in the world are distributing their portfolios and the total number of tokens they own. With respect to daily trading volume, Binance is the largest cryptocurrency exchange. In the past few weeks, it has further established itself as a major participant in the market after selling all of its FTX holdings and witnessing FTX crash. The November auction's Shiba Inu's price ended with a 25% decline in its market value. Shib has tested a level of support that was previously breached, which might serve as the impetus for another downturn. It will need a persistent barrier and consolidation over 0.00100 to produce conflicting positive prospects. When the MEM coin rose to a 3-week high on December 5, Shiba Inu was another noteworthy gainer. Shib surged to a high of 0.00105 at the beginning of the week, but because of today's gains, it dropped to a low of 0.00000009253 on Sunday. Shib bulls were unable to seize the token, and Shiba Inu is currently trading at a critical resistance point, at its highest level since November 11. Since this ship has fallen from its previous highs and is currently trading at 0.00000009866, it is preferable to liquidate previous holdings and grab profits beyond this ceiling at 0.0000110. This occurs as the RSI approaches its own resistance level at the 56.00 mark. At the moment, the index is trading at 55.39. Formerly a top hedge fund with his straightforward options trading approach, Chris Cr is the real deal. By providing traders with real-time trade tips, he is assisting thousands of traders. The vessel, according to Superstore's official Twitter feed, the project has burned an incredible 3.27 billion SHIB tokens thus far. This project started burning SHIB tokens in November 2021, and it's anticipated that over the next several years, it will burn billions more SHIB tokens. The act of burning tokens involves removing coins from circulation altogether. Typically, this is done by transferring the coins or tokens to an address without a private key, making them unretrievable. Over the past 7 days, 126 million SHIB tokens have been burned, and 50 transactions have been completed. On December 6, however, 223 million SHIB tokens were burned. These unidentified whales have transported over 280 billion Shiba Inu in 3 processes. Interestingly, one of the whales sold hundreds of millions of dollars on Binance. Following Friday's 115 billion Shiba sales, additional scan data shared by the Shiba PL Twitter account reveals that anonymous wallets have transferred over 281 billion SHIB tokens in the last 24 hours. The Twitter user reported 3 transfers totaling 120,670 M 363,462 681 and 77 B 950 M 331 254. Shino, the wallet that purchased 83 B 341 M 872 681 SHIB, moved to another wallet and repurchased Shiba in 3 big mail quantities. These quantities he bought consisted of 243,185 and 269,900 Shiino. One of the wallets was the target of the first transaction made in a day, and as of right now, crypto remains at this address. However, nothing can be said about the wallets that received 83.3 million and 77.9 million Shiba. Both of these wallets sent SHIB, and they no longer contain any Shiba Inu. With the current price swings of the second largest meme coin, whales profit by purchasing Shasta on the decrease in selling when the price increases. These 3 men forwarded the full SHIB to other locations right away. Coin.com revealed on Friday, albeit briefly, that an enigmatic whale had sent 114 bill 952 M 89,413 SHIB to a wallet ending in -76C. This substantial portion of Shiba was then transferred to a Binance wallet, most likely for sale. At the time, the amount of Shiba was estimated to be around $1.4 million based on other scans. That concludes our discussion for today. Remember to give us a thumbs up, share the channel, and subscribe to view our most recent content. The other 3 wallets transmit significant amounts of Shiba to the same Binance wallet concurrently.